10 most expensive RV in the world. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. Hope you're all doing good. In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 10 most expensive RV in the world. But before starting the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon too. Now, let's get started. Number 10. Integra Coach Cornerstone 45 DLQ $464,000. The Integra Coach Cornerstone is an incredible RV. It comes with a cab-forward design. It has a mobile eye, touchscreen technology, and a soundbar and entertainment system. Inside this beautiful motorhome, we can see a wood-lined walk-in closet with countertops of quartz crystal, porcelain flooring with an integrated heating system and a lavish shower. This RV is one to be desired, but be careful what you wish for. This massive and lavish RV is worth no less than $464,000. Number 9. Country Coach Magna 630 $495,000. Country Coach Magna has been created from a converted machine. It has been taking full advantage of the size by having a warm-toned interior with a custom-made sofa, a massive mat, washer, and dryer. It gets beyond what numerous would call a normal home. This RV comes with a 600 horsepower machine which provides all the power demanded to move the home around. And you only need a touchpad to drive it rather of keys. However, this caravan is surely commodity for you. If you're a big addict of nature, you can transfigure one side of the caravan into a small deck. Number 8. Unicat Amerigo International $500,000. Taking a first regard at the Unicat Amerigo International might not tell you anything about comfort. The interior looks like a truck and it's suitable to handle utmost rough terrain out there. It comes with office space, a kitchen, and a water maker for water filtering and decontamination. The massive gas tank of this motorhome holds enough energy for 2,000 miles. Number 7. Monaco Dynasty 45P $585,750. This luxury caravan is combined with data and observations gathered from Monaco owners. Dynasty used a brand new Roadmaster Latisse, a 600 horsepower Cummins machine, and it also adds a lot of cool new features. The interior is mind-blowing and it comes with a porcelain tile floor, a command system for all the appliances, and LED ceiling. The bedroom with a king-size bed and memory froth mattress will ensure the most comfortable sleep on the road. Number 6. Neumar King Air $738,745. Neumar King Air is one of the stylish in its branch. It's equipped with a 600 horsepower Cummins ISX turbo machine and it also features a sign, full paint masterpiece finish to cover the surface from rudiments. The interior comes with a cute kitchen equipped with chrome finished appliances, a sink, a washer, and a dryer. There's a massive storehouse space and an entertainment center that will make your trip indeed further fun. It's an experience from the alternate you step inside of it. Number 5. Country Coach Prevost $1 million. Country Coach Prevost was created to rise traveling to the positions of great art. It combines a fabulous aerodynamic aesthetic with numerous amenities and luxury to offer the stylish trip guests worldwide. It comes with numerous apartments and each room is decorated with elegant furnishings, including cedarwood, porcelain, and quartz. This caravan is a perfect home and it's worth an aggregate of $1 million. Number 4. Ford Travel IH45 Luxury Motor Coach $1.3 million. Ford Travel IH45 Luxury Motor Coach's every model comes with a custom design both on the surface and outside. It fits the taste and style of any new future owner. This caravan comes with a custom-built chassis analogous to those used in aviation. For the constructions of the cabin and walls, steel was chosen over aluminum. This motorhome comes with a motorized king bed, custom laminate cabinetry, and 2 master vanities. Number 3. Prevost H345 VIP $1.6 million. Prevost H345 personality has been known as the altitudinous, ample, and proudest caravan. This motorhome model has brought all prospects to an advanced positions. The cabin bottom offers better views, while at the same time furnishing further storehouse space. The interior is ultra-modern and comes with an enough rustic bottom, sofas, president, small office, kitchen, and a bedroom. These models are equipped with a universal remote control. This control activates all the functions of this motorhome outfit can be controlled over. Number 2. Featherlight Fantair Platinum Plus $2.5 million. The Featherlight Fantair Platinum Plus is equipped with some of the most lavish amenities in the world, similar as rare Inca marble, copper, pearlized Italian leather, Sapel Palmel from Africa, Swarovski's glasses, onyx, Schonbeck crystal, and numerous further. This motorhome comes with a pristine dishwasher, a plasma television, and a driving helm with an AFIC N2 GPS with real-time traffic and rainfall alerts. However, you'll find a lot of different RVs. If you take a look into Featherlight's portfolio, some of those include Coach 0741 Naples, which comes with a Volvo D13 machine and touch control panels. Number 1. Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo, $3 million. Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo has brought together rudiments from motorsports, aviations, and yachting into a high-performance carbon fiber service with great functionality and an awful view. It comes with a sky lounge, and it offers a full panoramic view. You can take this caravan anywhere from off-road conditions to other amazing corners of the earth. The interior has a 4-meter coach area, wine press, and a large television screen. It also comes with a master bedroom and a spa area. So these are the top 10 most expensive RV in the world. Now, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.